A body of mass 60 kg is pushed with a just enough force to start it moving on a rough surface with the coefficient of static friction 0.5 and the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.4, and the force continues to act afterwards. The acceleration of the body is. In given question, initially a body is placed on a rough surface and this body is at rest position. Mass of this body is 60 kg. In given question, it is mentioned a force is applied on the body. This is just enough force. If any body is at rest position, when it changes its position from rest to motion, initially it required a force equal to its static friction. Then only the body changes its position from rest to motion and the force continues to act afterwards also. Same amount of force is applied on this body continuously. So once this body changes its position from rest to motion, then frictional force reduces. So initially at rest position, friction is a static friction. After then, friction changes from static to kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is less than the static friction. Due to the difference of these two frictional forces, this body gets the acceleration. Why? Because here applied force equal to the static friction. Write the formula. Static friction minus kinetic friction is equals to mass into acceleration. Due to the difference of these two frictional forces, body get the resultant force. A is equals to Fs minus Fk by m. Friction, static friction. Coefficient of static friction into mg. Kinetic friction, coefficient of kinetic friction into mg. Substitute here, take mg common. Mg into mu s minus mu k by m. Mm get cancelled. Acceleration is equals to difference of coefficient of static friction and kinetic friction into acceleration due to gravity. We know these values. Coefficient of static friction 0.5, kinetic friction is 0.4 and take G value 9.8. 0.1 into 9.8, that is equals to 0.98 meter per second square. First option is correct.